Hello, traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, your mentor and senior analyst. And it's Monday, March 21st, 2011, and the market's up big. We have the Dow up 1.5%, 1.5% on the S&P NASDAQ. Doing very well at being up 1.8+%, and the Russell's off the charts, 2.31%. And congratulations to all those in the Stock Picks V newsletter, which is comprised of a lot of small caps. They did extremely well today. Nice. Anyway, banks up 1%, but lagged broad markets as a whole. VIX Volatility Index, fear indicator, down 16%. Gold up 0.56%. The dollar down, which helped everything else out at 0.32% to the downside. And we have crude up 0.4%. Transportation index does show some strength there in the Dow, only being up 1.5%. And I don't know how many of you are playing uranium stocks, but let me show this to you. Up 7.8% CCJ. And due to the bounce back expected in Japan, thus saith Warren Buffett. But today, for all you guys that are news junkies, we have AT&T buying out T-Mobile, and you also have February existing home sales diving. We show prices near a 9-year low. Interesting. Anyway, but like I was saying, Buffett's saying Japan is a buying opportunity, and there might be a lot of truth to that. Look at this, man. Boom. Nice pop today. We had this. I was worried on the weekend edition video. I talked about the daily, how the daily looked very bearish because we have this big drop on bigger volume, bouncing on short, smaller dissipating volume. Shooting star, getting a lower low on today, Monday, would prove to be pretty bearish as far as the daily's concerned. But I said, man, the weekly, if anything, is looking really bullish. What we have here, let me get rid of a trend line, remove and remove. We have this big drop, this hammer looking thing, and now I said if we can get higher than that 1302, 1303 area, that would be pretty bullish. Week's just starting here, but boy, things are looking promising. If we can get up over that 1300, that's huge, gang. Keep your eye on that. So tomorrow what I do see is we have some resistance coming up. 1300 is going to be a big one. 1302, 1303 area is going to be the 50-day moving average, the 20-day moving average converging together. That's going to be a resistance point. Up higher, we have 1306. 1307 will be a big resistance area. A lot of resistance knocking at the door. After such a big run, wouldn't surprise me to get a little bit of a pullback here. So be watching that. I did move my purple lines. I had a purple line coming across right here. Copied that one, drew it across, but we pierced it. So what I did here is I drew this trend line coming down from this swing low to this swing low, copied that and laid it on top right here, which acted as resistance. But you can see we're busting above it. So with that said, we have a nice crossover on the MACD running up. Nice positive tick on the histogram. All looks well. Now, so we're heading up. However, we do have a lower swing high, lower swing low. The bottom line is this. We are in a defined downtrend. But if we stay very shallow like we are here, this will be a bull flag. Bull flags are bullish. Look for upside potential. However, if we don't get some legs and we don't get over that 1302, 1303 area on the S&P, if that does not happen within this week, I think April will be very bearish and we will see a lot of selling taking place. So keep your eyes on that. You heard it here. You won't hear that anywhere else, but you're hearing it here. 1302, 1303, we need to close higher than that. Close higher than that by Friday, by end of the week. Take care. Safe trading to each and every one of you. Remember that capital preservation trumps and comes way before making a profit.